So today we are here, brought to you by HappyPaw604.com, which is my company, HappyPaw604. The really critical issue that we have is a Rottweiler has not been walking on a leash for 6 months. So we have two owners here in this tennis court, which is good, enclosed, trying to walk on a leash, which has been successful, as you can see over there. With the calmness of the owner, we get a calmness from the dog. But of course, we have to be calm, which is relaxed on the walk, as we can see. And the dog just has shut down before, like just lay down on the floor, did not want to go anywhere. But as the owner that presents leadership and calm energy, we have a dog that finally gets to walk on a leash when he's 9 months old. So a dog was raised from 3 months old to now, which means it's 6 months without a walk outside of its home. So the first time I met Xiao, which is the Rottweiler, was horrible, in a cage, in a kitchen, and with no affection, no discipline, nothing, no structural walk. But here we are. His owner, Siu Lok, has been successfully trained by me to be a good dog owner, and we are here to give you an example of the perfect walk. At the perfect timing, we have the correction on leash to snap the dog right out of it.你唔可以翻去，邊個揸條繩，邊個就係主人，邊個就係統治個人，呢個就係老細，呢個揸條繩嘅，你員工唔會理嘅，手，Hey. So the dog was rebel, which is normal. Never been trying on a rollerblade with another person. So the dog trainer wants to try everything that we have in order to get the dog to fulfill a structural exercise. So with structural exercise, there's between breaks, and we have water, which serves as affection for a dog. So they did a structural exercise, they get positive results. That's what we're looking for. Siu Lok. So today we have a first lesson, and it's been going really well, better than I have hoped, because a 6 month period without a walk and a leash is a long time. That it's surprising to me, but as we can see, the owner is taking a step up further, have me in, and I thank him for the opportunity to have this training, and I believe it will go very well because it's only day 1, and the session will end in day 4, which gives. So there's a shutdown right now, as we can see. and owner to pull it back up. And Xiao is continue to walk, which is really good. So a shutdown is never an option for him.